Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing you how to make these cute little Generation 8 Pokemon Sword and Shield candies, and these are the starters, which are Scorbunny, Sobble, and Grookey, and I decided to make it into like a candy packet. So first we're going to start out with the bunny, which is Scorbunny, and this is the fire starter. So I'm taking some white clay and I'm flattening it out into an oval shape. And on the side of its face it has these fur tufts, so I pinched some diamond shapes out of white clay and I blended that to the side of the face. And it has a smaller one, so I added a smaller diamond on top. Next we're going to make the ears, so I'm flattening out some orange clay, some light orange clay, and some white clay as well, and then we're going to assemble the three colors together, and then we're going to cut out some ear shapes. And I don't know why, but for some reason the ears remind me of the Adidas symbol. It might be just the pattern, but for some reason when I first saw it I just thought of Adidas. So for one ear we just made a regular ear shape, and the other one it had a little tuft of fur on the side, so we're just going to leave a little bit of that. And I'm adding some little light yellow kind of spikes for the inner ear, and I'm going to blend that onto the head. And we're going to add a light yellow rectangle for the bandage nose, 2 red dot eyes, and a bunny smile with a little pink triangle for the nose itself. For the next one we're going to go with something easier, which is Saville, the water starter, and we're going to flatten out light blue clay into an oval shape, and then we're going to carve out a little corner on the bottom of it, and we're going to fill that in with even a lighter blue clay. And I'm just cutting off the excess here and making them all blended together. So next we're making the fin on top of the head, so I'm taking my blade, I'm making a little etch mark on a little triangle, and it looks like an uneven heart. And I'm rolling out some dark blue clay into a snake, and this is just going to wrap around the fin like so. And that's going to go on top of the head just like that. So next we're giving it 2 dark blue ovals for eyes, 2 little circle of navy blue for the cheeks, and a frown made out of black snake clay, and 2 little dot nostrils. And we are done with our Sobble. So then we're going to move on to Grookey, the leaf one, so another oval out of green clay, and we're going to pinch some leaves by pinching some green clay into a diamond shape. And we're going to give a little line, and that's going to be blended on top of the head. And we're going to roll out a brown cylinder for the little stick thing that Grookey has on its leaf hairs. And we're going to pinch some brown clay into a fat triangle and cut off the ends and make a little line. And we're going to put these on the side of our Grookey, and I believe these are the ears. Next we're going to take some light yellow clay and flatten it out, and we're going to carve out the face mask, which looks like 2 dots and kind of like a little peak on the top. And I'm just using my blending tool to make it more smoother and nicer so it looks like a mask. And we're going to place that in the middle of our little head. Next we're taking like a red-orange colored clay, and I'm pinching it into a beak shape, cutting off the end and placing that underneath our little mask thing. And we're going to give it some black oval eyes, 2 little nostrils on top, and then a lined smile right on the beak. And after that you want to bake according to instructions, and here I have my 3 Pokemon starters, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. So to make my candy wrapper, I'm taking some soft UV resin that I got from Sophie and Toffee, And this time I'm using a blade to spread it out because a blade can spread it out really thinly and evenly. And we're going to cure that under the UV lamp. And so I'm using my scissors to cut the ends on the side so it's equal and even. Next, I'm placing my 3 Pokemon heads on the UV resin sheet face down, and I'm folding the bottom part of the wrapper up, and I'm putting a layer of soft UV resin, and I'm placing the top part, I'm folding it over so it touches the bottom half, and I'm going to cure it like so. Then I'm going to take some more UV resin and I'm going to put it inside the wrapper itself and pinch it with some pincettes, and I'm going to cure it, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And finally, using some crazy scissors, I'm going to cut off the ends of the wrapper in a nice zigzag shape. And here I have the final product, my Generation 8 Pokemon Sword and Shield Generation candies in a little bag. And it just reminds me of like sweet tarts or like mini jawbreakers. They come in packages of 3 and a little candy wrapper. So let me know in the comment section below which starter is your favorite, and thank you for watching.